Hi, welcome to my channel, Jumping Destinations, and we are in Manila and we are staying at the Hotel St. Giles. So this is a hotel room tour. Let's have a look. I always do this. I never do it on the first day of arrival. Jet lag always kicks in, but let's wrap it up. I've tidied as best as I can. Let's have a little look at what this room has to offer. This is what you get if you book a double room at the St. Giles. So let's scroll around and let's have a look. So when you walk in straight away through the front door, which is basically just right here where I'm standing, you are greeted with this, I would say, queen size bed, not double. Jet lag is still there, cracking in. Pretty modern, like the space. As you can see, decor is nice. It's one of these rooms to have if you want to sort of explore. You know, this is a nice comfy room. It's modern, a place to sleep, really good amenities like pool and gym, which is on the top floor, so you've got like rooftop, and just overall a really good stay. Overall, a really good hotel if you do want to explore and just enjoy. This is actually located right next to the, I don't know what you would call it, maybe the red light district. It's just on the back end of this street in Makati. So continuing on, if we go to the other side, get a smart TV, coffee, your amenities, your water. There is actually a water tank on the hallway, so you can top up and refresh your drinking water as well, because as we all know, tap is a no-no. With regards to the bathroom, this is going to be a very quick tour, just because of the size of the room. This so you've got, again, cupboard storage, so there you go. And then going into the bathroom, see how good I was, I even put the towels back. I'm actually checking out today and heading down to Clark. So shower, toilet, bum gun, phone for the toilet, and mirror. There we go. And last but not least, the view. It also has aircon, which is a big thing. At the moment, it's extremely hot. It's almost hitting 40s, I believe. Hang on. The real question is, there we go, where was the little cut hole? So this is the view you get. Hang on. This is the view you get. This is going to be a real uncut, really nice. Reminds me of Canary Wharf in many ways, to be honest. This view, cityscape. And there you go with all the cars. But yeah, really liking the view. And then on this side, yeah. And that pretty much sums up the hotel tour.